Hey, good day to all you flood adjusters out there. My name's Robert Ballard. I'm the founder of Top End Adjuster Training and the NFIP Flood Bootcamp. I've attached my FCN card so that you can see my credentials. For 2024, I have credentials in all 5 areas of flood adjusting. I'm here to help you. My teammates are here to help you if you are struggling working your flood claims. We say this, you're one hand away from being underwater adjusting flood losses. So here at the NFIP, we've received a lot of calls this morning from adjusters in the office. And I thought I'd shoot this short video just to let you know that we're here to help you. One adjuster has called this morning and said they've been there for 5 days and their claim count has grown to over 40 and they only have 1 prelim sent up. In 5 days, 1 prelim. This is a sure way of getting released from your deployment. Now, the NFIP Flood Bootcamp is here to help you, and I'm going to tell you how to do that. Go to our website, topendadjustertraining.com. Click up here on Contact Us. Fill out that information, and down at the bottom in that form, you will find a place where you can select a calendar date and time that you would like to have a conversation. In the next 20 minutes of that conversation, we'll tell you how we can help you. So you can either drown working flood claims or contact the NFIP Flood Bootcamp and we can help you make money. This is Robert Ballard, Top End Adjuster Training, the NFIP Flood Bootcamp, and always remember to be safe out there.